Okay, we got action. Hey y'all, hey, don't mind the little turban that I have on, you guys. One of my friends, he said I look like Cleo from Set It Off the other day with my braids. So I decided that I was gonna keep my little turban situation on until I put my wig on for today. But you guys, I am coming to you with a hair review, and y'all, I did not open the bag. I didn't open it, y'all. I saved it just for this moment. I saved it just for this very moment. Okay, so this is how it looks in the bag, and it is the Keat, K-E-A-T, short red curly wig. I'll probably put a picture up here on the screen somewhere so you guys can see what the hair looks like. But y'all, I'm a little nervous. Now, before I show you all the actual unit, I'm going to show you the little free gifts that came with it. And y'all, we love a free gift. So it first came with these little pearl earrings, pearl gold earrings. Cute. Came with a little wig brush, baby. You can always use these, always. It came with one of those ventilated wig caps with the net. It came with a regular deluxe wig cap, and there's 2 in this pack. And then it came with thank you cards and how to take care of the wig and stuff. So nice little free gifts it came with. Okay, so y'all, this is how this is how the unit looks. Y'all, I'm nervous. I'm nervous because honey, these curls. Okay, Nick. Honey, these curls. Let me snap this off. Do I want to snap it off over my scissors? Okay, you came off. Okay, so this is how. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is how the wig looks. It looked cute on the picture. This is how the inside of the wig looks. Y'all. We about to see. So, I'm gonna take my little thing off. I already have my wig cap on. Like I said, baby, you ain't about to see my Set It Off braids right now. Okay. Got my little concealer from when I did my other wig. Okay. So, it has the adjustable straps, y'all. It has no combs. In this wig, there are no combs. So, we gonna see what she look like. Okay, so okay, I think that those, how they had those little adjustable straps right there, I think those will be a little too tight on this Georgia Dome that I got. Okay, so okay, child. Okay, so okay, so I definitely need to get the wig brush out. So let me get this wig brush out, because sis you, okay, maybe. Okay, so let me get my wide tooth comb. Yeah, okay. Hold on. on. We might be cooking with gas. Wait a minute. Hold on, y'all. We might be cooking with gas. Wait a minute. Y'all, this is giving me that trend on TikTok right now, where the girls go like this. Okay. Wait. Y'all, this the one. Y'all, cause I like big curly hair, so this is cute. This is cute. Okay, y'all, she's cute. Okay, she is cute, y'all. Make sure that you can't see my little. Y'all, she is cute. Y'all, I was nervous about this wig. I wanted to get this color, and I think this wig, if I'm not mistaken, hold on, let me not lie to y'all. Let me pull up how much this wig cost on my handy dandy iPad. Was $21.95. It's synthetic hair, but she is so soft, and even with me combing, I only got, y'all probably can't see that, y'all can't see that, but it's minimal to no shedding. Y'all, what other colors they got? They got this color, they got a black and brown highlight, they got a black one, and they got a silver gray. Y'all, I'm getting a black and a black and brown highlight. And then you can do it like that, but I like it like that. Make sure I cover that little piece up right there, but I like it like this. Y'all, y'all, I feel fancy. I like this one. Yeah, this the one, y'all. This the one. And like I said, you guys, I will leave the link for this hair in the description box below. She was only $21.95, and I got her off of Amazon. And y'all, she is worth every $21.95 that I spent on her, because this is cute. I was nervous at first, but y'all, this is cute. She is cute. She is giving me everything that I need and then some, y'all. Keep pushing it out my eye because I don't want it in my eye, but y'all, this hair, the only bad thing that I could possibly say about this hair is the fact that it doesn't have any combs. So of course you'll have to use pins to secure it, because I do believe if a strong wind was to come by, baby, sis would be on the sidewalk somewhere. Sis would be in the land of Oz, and I'd be in Kansas still trying to find her. So that's the only bad thing about her, is that you're gonna have to get some bobby pins to slide in, or you can sew combs into the wig yourself if you want to. But y'all, I can't stop looking at this. Like, baby, why do I look like somebody's auntie from the 70s? Like, then this red lip, like somebody auntie from the 70s. Tell your daddy I said, hey. Okay. Y'all, get this wig. Get this wig. Like I said again, I'm gonna say it again. I repeat myself a lot in my videos, but you in my business, don't do that. I am going to leave the link below for this wig in the description box. And y'all, I got a free wig brush free wig brush with it, and it's actually pretty nice. I wouldn't use it to brush this out because it got those metal things, so it's a little hard. Use your wide tooth comb, get up in there, baby, and she is. I need to go order the black one because, yeah, sis is me. Sis is me. All right, y'all.